Now, everyone in Tokyo have actually entered the first morning since the power outage. So we actually knew that this is actually the worst crisis they actually face. Meanwhile, we saw Ogremon actually receive a message from the Soundbermon, which actually take the form of a video message from their master, which he actually ordered him to capture the Digidestin, and he actually sent in new warriors, and he actually told him to complete his mission. Otherwise, he don't want to suffer the consequences of what happens if he continue to fail him, which Ogremon actually won't let that actually happen. Meanwhile, we saw the Digidestin, saw the clues about the Holy Digimon, which of course we saw how they realized that he was actually captured, but they actually have a plan to rescue the Holy Digimon. Meanwhile, they actually heard noise outside, which the Ogre Digimon is challenging them for a battle, since Greymon actually destroyed one of his horns. So Agumon actually evolved into Greymon to battle Ogremon. Then we saw the Cordronmon and actually started to fire lasers at the Digidestin, which Matt and Gabumon actually evolved into Garurumon. So they actually battled them as well, by which we saw Greymon continue to battle Ogremon, which Ogremon actually told him to fight for his pride, in which we actually see how they easily actually defeat Ogremon. But just as soon as they actually taken care of the Digidestin, the the Cordromon actually was interrupted by Kabutermon, and Izzy arrived just in time, by which they saw the Digimon retreated, which Kabutermon actually returned back into Tentomon, which Izzy knew something is actually wrong. Just as soon as we saw the finishing strike, we saw something actually hit from the sky, which missiles actually launched into the ground, in which they saw another Digimon sent by the Master actually revealed to be the ultimate Digimon named Metal Tranomon. It was similar to the Dark Tyrannomon, but he is actually the ultimate Digimon, by which we actually knew that Greymon has no chance of defeating, which he easily defeats him and revert back into Agumon. Then Ogremon was crushed, which he actually helped the Digidestin escape, and he told him to reach for the Holy Digimon straight ahead, which gave them enough time to escape, which Ogremon buy them some time to actually fight Metal Tyrannomon. So we actually knew that Ogremon is on their side, which angered his master as well. Now we actually saw the Ultimate Digimon, the Metal Tyrannomon, and he actually appeared, which he was sent by the master, which of course one of the warriors they actually mentioned. But we actually saw Greymon was about to transform into the Ultimate Digimon, but he didn't get the chance to do so because of Metal Tyrannomon stop him. So we actually gonna see how they're going to get the Ultimate Digimon form on the next episode next weekend. So anyway, like this video, subscribe for more, and comment what you think about the episode. You guys can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, and my Facebook page. Until then, this anime guy joining here saying signing out. Laters, and be safe.